In this lesson, we are going to revisit what we learnt in part 1, as well as learn how to sing along to the second verse and chorus. We will also learn how to play 2 more instrumental sections and perform the whole piece from start to finish. So, let's get started.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello, it's Mr. Courtney here again to guide you through warming up your instrument. Just a quick reminder, make sure we're sitting or standing correctly with good posture, with feet firmly on the ground. Today's warm-up will feature the rhythm from our bridging section in Let's Dance. This is the section that joins the verse to the chorus. You may notice it features lots of quick notes all run together. These are called quavers and are worth half a beat each. To make things easier, we will slowly build up these quavers until we are able to play them all quickly together. As we did with last week's warm-up, we will clap, buzz, and then play the rhythms one by one. Feel free to pause the video whenever you need to give yourself enough time to carefully put your instrument together. Here is the first rhythm. When we move on to our instruments, I would like you to play this on a D. That's your first and third valve. 1, 2, 3, clap. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, clap. One, 2, 3, buzz. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, buzz. One, 2, 3, play. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, play. Here is the second rhythm. Make sure you are using your tongue to make the notes nice and clear. Think ta-ta-ta. We shall play this one a little faster. We're going to play this on an E. That's your first and second valve. 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, clap. One, 2, 3, buzz. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, buzz. One, 2, 3, play. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, play. The third rhythm will be played on an F sharp. Remember, that's your second valve. Let's play this rhythm a little faster than the last one. 1, 2, 3, clap. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, buzz. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, buzz. One, two, three, play. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, play. Now for the final rhythm, which uses all quavers, so get that tongue working. We're going to go full speed now, but be careful not to rush. We will play this on a G. That's no vowels, but with firmer lips and faster air. 1, 2, 3, clap. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, clap. One, two, three, buzz. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, buzz. One, two, three, play. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, play. Well done. We're now ready to move on.
Here's a quick reminder of the notes you will need. Take a moment to have a look and pause the video if you need to. Here's a reminder of what we learnt to play in the last session. 1, 2, 3, 4, play. Now we're going to learn the quaver link section, which you play straight after playing the first verse and chorus. The last note of the verse and the chorus is the first note of the quaver link section. Remember that quavers are quicker notes, so you will need to use your tongue properly to make sure that the notes are clear and that you don't slow down. Like this. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Listen and watch on the first time through, then you can have a go. Your counting this time will be 1, 2, 3, and we're going to start here. 1, 2, 3. Now you can have a go. 1, 2, 3. The last section you need to learn is the ending, which you play after you have played the verse and the chorus for the second time. All you have to do is play the last 3 notes of the verse and the chorus twice more. Listen and watch on the first time through, then you can have a go. 1, 2, 3. Now you can have a go. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to stick it all together. The whole song structure is as follows. First of all, you're going to sing the first verse and chorus, and then play the first verse and chorus, followed by the quaver link section. Then you're going to sing the second verse and chorus, and then play the second verse and chorus, followed by the ending. Remember that you can pause and rewind the video at any point to help you practice.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the monkey take, touch Hey baby, if you're all alone, baby, you'll let me walk you home. Let's dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the rock, the shake, the do. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance. Let's dance.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to more Wicket celebration pieces coming your way soon.